So the quickest and easiest method to convert something that's 6 mm to 3 mm without changing the size of the object is simply to zoom into where your tabs are. If you look over here, you'll see that the tab is 6 mm. I want it to be 3 mm. So all I do is I draw a rectangle or whatever all the way along. I change that. I put the object position to the top. Change it to 3. I've got my universal on. I change it to 3. So you see that leaves you with that shape, and then I do a back minus front, and that leaves me with a 3 mm tab all the way. Now you've got the problem here with these long sides with lots of them. So all I do over there, I just draw myself a guideline. I set my center to be on that point, and I rotate this so that my object is 90 degrees. Not exactly 90 degrees, I've missed my center point. Let's get that center point right. I want that point to be on the corner. I want that point to be my rotation point. Forget it. I keep missing it. There we go. And then I can take this guy and rotate it 90 degrees. So now I have a whole bunch of tabs over here that are 6 mm. I want them to be 3 mm. So once again, I can just grab my rectangle, draw it all the way across, change my object position to the top, make that 3, because 6 minus 3 leaves you with 3. So I'm ending up with this shape, and I'm going to subtract that from the object. Okay, it left me some artifacts which I can just get away with another rectangle. And then I do a back minus front, and I am left with 3 mm deep tabs. All the other parts that slide into the different things are like this, are square. The square ones are really easy because we okay, those I haven't. This is make it big. Didn't actually have something 6 mm angle. Okay, so now we've got something that's 6 mm in tab size, but I don't want to change the actual size of the object. I'm just going to draw my block out, put my tab position to the top, make it 3. Oh, I've got my universal scaling on again, doesn't matter. And then select everything and back minus front, and you've got 3 mm tabs. Hope this helps. Bye bye.